Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another vlog of ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch smart Android Me LED TV with the fault. Sound okay, no picture problem? Here you can notice one thing, that the white light flashes while tapping on the screen. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. If any one side Gatesignals are short, then we can repair it using temporary solution. Both sides are short, then it's difficult to repair. See friends, this panel comes with single COF panel with SM4186 Dc IC. Here these are the Gatesignal tracks from the right and left side respectively. First here cut down the right side Gatesignals, but the complaints remains same, so here we rejoined the cutted tracks and cut down the left side Gatesignals. See friends, now the picture comes and the TV is repaired temporarily, because permanent solution is always panel replacement. So that's it, hope you like this video, thank you for watching. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.